Hello everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews, and this here is a spin mop with the mop bucket. This is super convenient as far as drying off that mop head so you're not soaking your floors. You can go ahead and let's actually drop this handle down. You can see here you can pick it up and carry it because this handle is built in. So let's just do this side, and then we can go and push our handle down. Now this lever here is going to stop the mop from spinning, but if you push it open, you can go ahead and do the spinning motion. And what this is doing is it's actually spinning the mop to get all that extra water off. So when you mop, you're just mopping with a damp mop. It's cleaning that mop too as well. It's got a really nice, easy spin mop motion here. What that looks like. These are the mop heads. Now you do get 5 of these mop heads, which is really nice. We can go ahead and lock our mop, and then we can just go ahead and mop our floor. And this is going to be nice. You could use this on the walls. It gets under the fridge, under the baseboards there, under the cabinets. And this just puts a nice clean. This just does a really good job cleaning. You pull towards you. And then when they're done, we can go ahead, lift this up, put our mop back onto the water section here. We can even spin here. And what we're doing is just pushing down and just spinning the mop, right? Cleaning up all that dirt that's settling to the bottom. Shake it out a little bit. Come over to the spin section. Like a spin dry, your washer and dryer. A couple motions up and down, and you have a nice dry mop. These are really soft, which is really nice, so it's gonna be safe on your floors. They're also gonna give you a scrub brush, so if you need to maybe even clean a carpet or do some pre-scrubbing on some tile in your bathroom, that's included. 5 of these mop heads that are super soft, that are reusable. So, but these having 5 is nice, so you'll be able to go for a very long time. The bucket construction is nice. Again, you have that handle that tucks away, and you go ahead and move into another room and keep going. You see here, there's some water from me spilling, but I can just dry that up quickly with the mop, walk my mop, and just like that, we have a nice, clean, shiny floor. So there you have it. You can even do your rugs. I like these because I can just get into all those little crevices. I like getting all under the cabinets. This makes it super easy, so I highly recommend this. Shout out to this company for gifting me this, so I could do this review. If you're looking for a mop, but a spin bucket with spin action, check them out.